What's up? What's up? Tesla Tuesday. I know it's a little bit late. Sucks that we already got this move. Wanted to actually have this recorded and done. Sorry, something came up. Usually this video comes out in the morning pre-market. But as you can see, we got the bounce out of that zone. So, this is where I wanted to add on. If you guys have been following me for a while, last week we talked about Tesla being very range bound. And it was right inside here, waiting for that range to break. Ultimately, I'm not bearish until this zone breaks. So we got the dip down. I was in this, right? I'm still bullish here. I did add on some down here. 384, I think 18 was my fill. And you can see today, massive. I don't want to say massive. We had just a decent jump up today. It's an all right move. The morning move jumped up and then sideways. It's election day. There's going to be a whole lot of nothing. Reminder again, I am going live tonight. So unless something comes up, it's going to be my normal time. We can talk about this again. Overall, I'm thinking pretty bullish. I think the dollar's going to start moving again. I finally even got into a Forex play. We've been waiting for the dollar to move. I think it's going to lead everything else. I think the train's going to start rolling now. So as far as Tesla goes, what we're going to talk about tomorrow in my live stream. Because I go live Sundays and Wednesdays. Those are my normal times to go live. I'll go live after hours tomorrow. We'll obviously have a bunch to talk about. I'm thinking bullish. I'm going to actually swing this bullish. Tesla and Amazon are going to be my bullish positions that I'm swinging overnight. But the warning I gave you guys last night, I know this isn't super Tesla related, is that there's likely going to be a gap on Wednesday morning. So your position size needs to reflect some volatility. So I think that move is going to be made. So if it's against you, you're in recovery mode. If it's with you, you're going to be trailing stops and moving stops up. So that being said, looks like Tesla's going to go right back into this. I like that it got above that zone, but just like we did last time, hang out on top, and then it was a gap down and sold off. You got to be prepared for any of that. As far as politics go, I think we're bullish kind of regardless. But I can see if Biden does win, I can see an EV pop and a solar pop. He's very big on... a lot of them have been very prominent to bring up energy. So it's no secret that Trump is more oil and gas, and Biden will lean more towards solar and battery. So I'm not looking too many election plays, but because Tesla is an EV play, and if Biden does win, we might actually see a pop in that. I don't know who's going to win. I'm not even going to make that prediction. My position size, all my allocation and my plays, it reflects volatility. I think it's all we're going to see. After that, nothing in the charts tells me I'm not bullish I shouldn't be bullish November, December. So that's what I'm playing right now. So to wrap it up on Tesla Tuesday, let's jump into some higher time frames. Because if we do zoom out, we got a nice little trend line. So overall, this could be a nice higher low that we're seeing right here. And kind of just keeping that trend alive. So jumping out on the daily, we got something like this going on for us. Still kind of keep that mode. Now it's not a trend line. I don't play trend lines. I draw these just as a reminder that, yeah, we are making some higher lows. Daily's looking good. Weekly, we've been inside for a while. It's been a whole lot of nothing. Ultimately holding this zone right here. So I think we got a little bit ahead of ourselves. I think this cool off. I think it's time for that move up again. Tesla does this. It will push up. It will go sideways. Push up again. Just like we did right here. I think we're seeing that again. So hopefully once this election's behind us, we'll have that uncertainty out of the way. Next, we're going to move on to stimulus talks and stuff like that. And I think that will be bullish for the market. I think everyone will probably see a lot of love there. So I'll end it here as far as your Tesla Tuesday video goes. Obviously, still bullish. Until we break that yellow zone, I am going to remain bullish on Tesla. I am in shares and options plays. So, again, I am going live tonight, and I will also see you guys. I'll see you there tonight and tomorrow. If I don't catch you guys tonight, we're going to go live again for our normal midweek market breakdown, and we have a lot to talk about. So, I'll see you there.